I was like, I forgot how.
Well, Jessica, look at you. Pine cone. I don't have one. Yeah. Look at your helmet down.
Who's going after these two?
Me.
Okay.
And Vivian.
That'll be the last one.
Wait, how should the green rope be around me?
Well, how much time do we have left?
5 minutes.
Oh, really?
How should the green rope be around me? Excuse me, how's the green rope supposed to be around me?
It's on your shoulder.
Like that?
You'll be forward on it. So you wrist on it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi! Sorry, Winnie. Yep. Go, best friend! Come on, best friend!
Go, Faye!
Got it. There you go. There you go.
Slow and steady. You ready, girl? No. Where? Put it around your shoulder and grab it. You ready? Start walking. No. Come on, Jess. One step. Come on. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Keep going. I'm not looking down. How was your day? How are you feeling? Oh, don't talk about that.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
Ooh, mine is grilled chicken.
What's AP physics? Hard. Hard? Oh, don't talk about it here. How's bread?
Bread.
Man, you know, I really want some bread right now. You?
I want a donut.
Yeah. Ah!
Get back on. You guys. Still on there.
Freak, my foot is cramped. Ow, my
Stretch it
foot
out.
is
Stretch
cramped.
it out. Use the green rope for a little bit.
Okay.
Go.
Sorry, y'all.
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite mythical creature?
Yeah, girl? Oh, boy. Go, Jackie. I'm so sorry, y'all.
You got keep leaning forward. Don't look back. Lean forward.
Got it.
Yep. Keep leaning forward.
Look at you, Jessica.
Go, best friend.
Another.
Yeah?
Woodchuck.
Okay.
Woodchuck.
You know what's hella pretty right now? No, look at that. Man, you know, are we gonna have to do a report for Miss Bees later?
Probably.
Man, we gotta enjoy ourselves while we can.
Oh, dude. Once I missed a conference I was supposed to go to for college. I had to write a 10-page paper on some like leadership theory.
Lean forward, baby. Come on.
To make up for it. It was like the worst assignment I've ever done.
You know, like yesterday,
This is for
this guy was trying to copy my test. I got in trouble for that. You know that, right?
No, it was.
I got so in trouble for someone trying to copy my test. Come on, baby. One more step forward.
Forgot what her name was, but it was like some.